This will be a how-to on how to print out a schedule with shifts. Basically, when you come to your VT3000 web screen, you're going to select your core software. You can select your shifts and schedules from over here underneath this menu, or you can navigate it through the icons. So configuration, shifts and schedules. This will be your schedule here, or there could be multiple ones. Just basically click on the one that you're looking for, select the print button, where you can like click and drag if you have multiples, and then you can print out all of them at the same time. Basically, when you hit print, you're going to get something that looks like this. Give you the name of your schedule, the start of the day, type it is. Then down here, you're going to have your shifts. Your breaks are going to show up here, and then what days of the week this applies to. If you select this button, it will basically allow you to print a hard copy or paper copy of this that's on the screen. This will allow you to download it in an XML format. And if for some reason you need to send it to us here at VersaCall and you have email enabled, you can click that. Once you're done viewing that, close this tab and it returns you back to here. That concludes this how-to on how to print out a schedule. Look forward to talking to you again.